here, and yep, it's that time. Time to go home. Home away from home, right? Here we are, waiting with the Margaritaville, so I get some cheeseburger. Well, that's how me I get. Alright, food is here.
Practicing physical distancing. Please remain 6 feet or 2 meters from the nearest person. Thank you.
Want to see how the place develop, then just a fling up house like me don't know. Well, I feel like we just for a few days and look for the place. Brand new neighborhood. We are home.